Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be cutting this wig into like a blunt cut type style. So this wig I did make and dye myself. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by pulling all my hair back into a ponytail. And what I'm going to do is just comb the hair straight back just to make sure everything is flowing nicely in my ponytail, because you don't want some of your hair in the ponytail and some of it out of the ponytail, because that will mess up your cut. Okay, so once you have your ponytail, it should look like this. I'm going to use clippers this time because, it's just easier. So what you want to do, you'll see in a minute, is cut above the rubber band. Well, that's what I'm doing. You can choose to cut above or below, but I think it's better to cut above because you're preventing a lot of hair going everywhere. So, yeah, and this is how it looks. Next, I took the wig off of my head and I placed it on my mannequin head. And I did that just so that I can even up the bob a little bit more. It's easier to cut it and, even it out like this. I started off cutting it on my head just so that I can get, kind of like the perfect length that I want, because I didn't want it too short. So, yeah, I'm just going to even it up. And so the color that I put on this wig, y'all, it's Adore Baby Blue, but it came out like blues and greens. So it's basically like a blue and green wig. But hey, I really like it and it's a cute color. And this is how it's looking. So I don't like flat hair, straight hair. So I'm going to just throw some little wand curls in it. And voila. You see the green is really popping in this image right here. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely talk to you later. If you have any suggestions on videos that I should do, please feel free to comment below.